here's some Reagan's Reading Corner bloopers that have been taken over the past few months. I hope you enjoy them.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my friend Owen. What was that?
Hi guys.
This ride is keen, said Queenie. Yeesh. Yeesh. Mom.
Hello and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be here reading Emergency by Tom Lichtenheld and Ezra Fields Meyer. All the letters live together in a big house. Oh, she cut it. I got to see my name.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. I was just reading a fabulous book that me and my friend Gigi.
No.
You read too, I read too. Today we have my cousin Jack, and he'll be reading another Dr. Seuss book that I really love. So, I hope you guys enjoy this book. Take it away, Jack.
Well, how do you do?
Hello and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Why are you looking like you're gonna kill me?
Hi guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my friend Leo.
And stop it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my cousin Ella. She will be reading to you a Dr. Seuss book that I'm pretty sure many of you have heard of, but I just love seeing this book and reading it. So, yeah, that was weird.
Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna do good this time.
Hello and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner.
You guys will enjoy it. So take it away, Ella, with a great book.
Hi guys, as Reagan mentioned, I'm Ella and I am reading Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Hold on, delete that.
Oh my gosh. And I really hope you guys will enjoy it. So take it away, Ella.
As Reagan said, my name is Ella and I will be reading Llama Llama Grandma and Grandpa by Anna Dudney.
That can be the blooper. Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my cousin Maddie. She will be reading the second book, To the Day the Crayons Quit, and I really hope you guys will enjoy it. So take it away, Maddie.
Thank you, Reagan. So, the day...
Hi guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my cousin Charlie. Today... You want... Technical difficulties. Okay. Is that bad?